Hey, lovely people. This is the TP-Link 4Z router. Model TL-MR6400. Today we are going to unbox and the first test with SIM. In this router, you can use an Ethernet cable, also SIM card, to connecting the internet. If you don't have an ISP provider in your area, then it can help you to explore Wi-Fi facilities. Let's begin the unbox. Wow, this is the router. Put it on a side, then check the box content. This is a SIM tray where you can use your nano SIM card. Otherwise, if you have a micro SIM, no need for this tray. Here is some user manual that can help you to set up the router. Two-meter Ethernet cable. Here is the power adapter. Let's check the router. Clean design, TP-Link branding upside. Two antennas in the back. One WAN and 4 LAN ports. If you use an Ethernet cable for WAN, then you get 3 LAN ports. The power button, power plug line, reset button, Wi-Fi on/off button, SIM PO. Some important information about router. I have a nano SIM card, so I need the SIM tray. Let's prepare and insert the SIM card. Insert the power cable, then push the power button to start the router. Wait for the first time opening. Power button bleeding, which means it tries to connect to the internet. Wait for Wi-Fi, network, and internet icons. All done. Now it's ready to use. Thanks for watching. Please support me by subscribe Tech Janela. Like, comment and share.